Hello my friends, today I'm showing you FXPIP Dash Python first version and first product that I never create in such way. So first of all we have exe file, we have also txt file. They must be in one folder, they must be near each other. So first of all just edit this text file, it's called login data.txt. In this file you will see login, you can enter your login, you can enter your password, this one do not change, and enter your email address that you will use to contact us. Only in this way we can verify your license with that tool, and we can give you license as well. Then you press save and just close it. And when you launch exe file, you don't need MetaTrader to be launched, and even not need the accounts here. You don't need account to be logged even. You can set up MetaTrader and forget about login. Just what you need to do is just press open new account and enter RoboForex, the broker you will use, okay? And then press just next, and you can close it. Just scan the server of your brokers. Close terminal. Once you will launch this tool, here you will see it's pick up the text file credentials for login. So you can change your password. There was your password, I need to change it. I will enter my password, okay. So here I press login. The next what this panel will do, it will open browser and will show you this trading tool indicator, and open MetaTrader 5 and login with that credentials that you enter in text file. It can do it. Now you can hide the MT5 and you will see the dash indicator, multi-timeframe strength from FXPIP.1, okay. Each line of this indicator, this is XAUUSD, tell us another time frame, as you can see, from H1 to M1. It moves really fast. We use 30 indicators to calculate this strength. Now market is he don't know what to do, he don't know where to go, because half of pair red, half of pair green. As you can see, I added USD at second place in each pair, even at pairs that, for example, UPUSD is not exist, but USD UP exist. But I converted this, and I reversed the signal also for such pair. Such pair did not exist, but I reversed this. Also, I reversed the signal. This helped me to understand how the USD working at complexly at all pairs, because when I see when USD at first place and this goes this way, this goes this way at second place, I not understand which way go USD. In this case, once I see that all pairs, for example, green, I can use some tool like currency correlator trader. We have such software at our site, and I can press one button and I open all 7 positions at 7 USD pairs direction, and I can pick up some USD pairs and profit really fast. Also for XAUUSD, now I not understand which is the signal, because some of pair red, some of pair green, but once all pairs will be green, it makes me more strong to understand that it's possible move at XAUUSD in buy also. In such in such method if we see USD at second place, I mean. Also sometimes, like today and yesterday, 2 times I saw that all pairs is red, but USD, XAU USD goes in up, goes in green area. It's also a little bit scam when market maker moves, but remember that XAU USD only divided by USD, but USD cannot 100% move the XAU, because XAU have own index, and keep this in mind and be careful with XAU because it's really danger, it's volatility, and market makers and investors love this to invest, especially in grow, when they see no signals at other or pairs or Bitcoin died, they go, everyone go at XAU USD and make intraday movements. It's really dangerous instrument. So I just try to create this tool to let you faster understand where you can pick up some retracement and even trends. This stuff is working really fast. The yellow button, this yellow light is tell you the speed of calculation. Once this yellow color is lighting, it means how long it's taken time to calculate this all 8 pairs and all 12 this is 12 time frames at one pair. Imagine how many calculation it doing at 30 indicators. Basically it's 29 indicators, but almost 30 indicators. And imagine how much calculation we're doing, and we grab some history from MT5 each second, and we update this chart. We find this bid and ask, so we totally use MT5 to receive some data. And here you will see, once you start to trade here, you will see also this profit, position, margin, free margin. Maybe later we will convert this into trading panel, something like with trailing stop, with multi-pair trading, buy USD, sell USD, something like that in these pairs, including gold or not including gold. Maybe we will see. I just need you to test this and give some feedbacks. Maybe you're gonna like it. And maybe we will create some group and we will do some new versions, I mean, and something like this button also works. I showed you at previously at videos this close button, close all, but it works in cycle one by one position close, but sometimes at real account it's not so fast. I asked MetaQuotas to add in Python library some bulk operation. I call it bulk operation, the group operation, like when you can open a lot of positions in MetaTrader 5 and you can press right mouse and press close all really fast. But they not have such function in when Python connect to MetaTrader. It only can give one command to one position, only like that. We can do it only in cycle, and it depends from broker execution, like we cannot close it fast. But we can open one by one, we can open fast, we can close it fast one position, but a lot of positions sometimes losing profit when I close using this button. So better close it all in mobile version of your MetaTrader or desktop version of MetaTrader 5. This only indicator, guys. For now it's only indicators, but it really helps. Especially try it at news. You will see some movements in one direction. Sell all pairs, USD pairs, or buy USD pairs at the same time. It can give you really interesting results. Now we're talking, as you can see, the XAU growth a little bit, but some range, some totally is growth. See, even H1 tell us 72. This all basically what do we have? Maybe later I will change some color, maybe that will be not so shiny. These two, this is 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100% is the last. This is minus 100% when you see my mouse, my cursor. So you must understand that each is 10%. This is why I divided them with some lines. And now you can see the numbers when you put the mouse here. You see the numbers exactly. Where is this numbers? You will understand more which time frame and which the power of the signal of this time frame. Show you right now. See, it's M1 goes to minus. It's a little bit down. You can see it almost every tick, every second. It works. It's right to work every second, but plus we have 0.5 average time of the calculation. Like it's update 1.5 average time, seconds average time. It's update intake. So this is what do we have for today now. Guys, have a good profit and help to develop, help to give feedbacks. It helps me to develop, I mean. And I coded a lot this previous month. I grab a lot of interesting function for Python. We can develop more and more. I also tried to generate some visual tester for even Atrenko. I also coded Atrenko charts for Python. It works. I have some codes already, but I not found anything interesting in that. Renko better develop some indicators that give you opportunity to trade and find really fast some entries and fast exits and be happy and not sitting all day on the computer. Take 1 or 5% per 1 day and be happy and trade from time to time. Not need to sit all time with your computer and spend your nervous to searching some signals and blow accounts and everything like that. Trade only in specific time. This tool will help you to find the specific time when you see all red, like trade in, sell to orders at some pairs that you see and go away from this market. It's really scammy market, like it's manipulated by AI. Like it's crazy what we're doing these days. Look at this, no retracement, it's crazy. Yes, this is M1, but this is a lot of pips. And you open, for example, here buy, you thought it will go higher, but no, stay here, you with us. And everything like that. Okay, guys, test this. It's really interesting tool. It works fast. I tested, I optimized this. It can work at macOS also. It can work at Linux. But the MetaTrader must be run in Wine or in some Windows emulator, as you know. And the same emulator must run this exe file. This is exe tool. This is exe tool. Once you close this tool, the calculation will stop. As you see this, it's stopped to update charts and it stopped to move everything. You just close the browser and this is it. Everything is closed and killed. Have a good profit, guys. It was Alex from FXPIP. Bye bye, see you soon. And one more thing, I tell you that my old clients that already sent me some MetaTrader 5 RoboForex accounts for old software and already activated, I will add them to this dashboard panel. Not need to send me account numbers that you previously activated. But if you wanna test this, if you are a new user or you want a new account, just go to the broker, this page of our site, and open here account. Or if you already at RoboForex, just use this partner code and send us to this email, and we will activate this tool for you for free. You can test it for free. For now, it's free. just test this and be happy.